Hi guys, Mouse here. Tara, sakay tayo sa City Cruises cruise ship dito sa Kingston, Ontario. So, explore natin ang island view dito sa Thousand Islands. Ganda ng beach. Alam niyo pa guys, nasa Thousand Island ka, para ka nakarating sa US kasi itong location ng island is in between Canada and US. Diba? Nice. This is the boat castle. Napakaganda ng story ng boat castle. It signifies true love and
American side of the river.
anyway,
If
you want to visit that castle, you must have a US visa guys. So enjoy. Tour lang kami for a quick tour para naman sulit ang aming summer.